Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to edit information of existing contact in our phone book in Samsung Galaxy S22. How to change phone or name in our existing contacts. So contact, and let's say we want our dad change phone number, so we want to change it to edit, and here we have options. Here we can add we can change our contacts here, or add change name. Don't forget to save. And now our dad has a second number in our phone book, and here it is. It's changed, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.